Yeah, we are live now.
Hi guys, I'm George from DoraHacks and welcome to the Aptos DAO Round-6 demo session. I'll be your host and moderator for this demo session. And if you do have any questions or anything that you wanted to find out about DoraHacks after the session, feel free to reach out to me. My Telegram is @GeorgeDora. So for a little bit of background on the Aptos DAO program, it is a long-term program which DoraHacks has been supporting in order to help drive growth in the Aptos ecosystem and support projects that are building within the ecosystem to receive some funding over the course of the round and following the round as well. So we have successfully completed 5 rounds to date, where we have got 400 plus builders that have contributed and participated in the Aptos DAO that we have hosted. For anyone interested in building on Aptos or continuing to build on Aptos, round 7 will be open and available in the near future. But for now, the community contribution voting is available and open for community members to come in and actually contribute and vote using their APT tokens for these projects in the round 6 voting period. So feel free to take a look at that on DoraHacks.io in the Aptos Grant DAO section. You will be able to see the finalist teams there. So today we do have 2 of those fantastic projects that are finalists that you can actually vote for joining us today to give us a demo. They are Aptos Chat and Guido Network. For the audience, please feel free to share any questions that you may have during the session in the chat rooms on Binance or on YouTube, and I'm happy to ask these questions as we go to these teams. So without further ado, I'll welcome the Aptos chat team to start off and give us a presentation. So welcome, guys.
Thank you, George, for the warm introduction. Hello, everyone. I'm Sam from Aptos Chat, and happy to be here. Give me a second. I'm just starting off my presentation. So, yeah.
Sam, you just have a little bit of background noise on your mic.
Give me a sec.
No worries.
Is this fine now?
It's okay. It's a little bit crackly, but it's okay.
Okay. Okay. Hi, everyone. We are building Aptos Chat. It is essentially communication protocol for Aptos ecosystem. So what we want to achieve, that we want to help any Aptos user, those who have a wallet, to interact with another user just via wallet without any social identity or anything as such. So the key features include that you log in via Petra wallet, Martian wallet, any wallet. You know the public key of your friend wallet address. You paste it. You start messaging. All these messages are encrypted end to end. They are stored on the like they are fully on chain, so there is no way that anyone else can access it, or we do have any server or anything, so that is not possible at all. And the third feature is that we aim to build an SDK which any DApp of Aptos can just import it, uh, some sort of library, and allow their users to start messaging with just via wallet. So let us quickly see a demo how this works in real life. So this is a screen grab which I have done. So you first create your account, you set your username, and after that you connect your wallet and you paste. There are 2 accounts I have created, one with Sorex and one with demo. I will paste my friend's public key over here, and as you can see that I have successfully added a friend. Then I just sent a message. Now you can see that I have sent message from Sorex to demo. Now demo account will be has received the message GM, and again I'm sending a message on chain messaging is cool, and you can say that I have received SMSs over here, sorry, message over here. So the whole process is fully on chain, nothing is being stored off chain. And why this is needed is, this tool has got a plethora of use cases. It's like building those fundamental infra blocks which can be used by any dev to create something new. So let's say we do have you know DAO going on Aptos chat. If we want to sorry, we Aptos DAO round is happening on DoraHacks. Now, if DoraHacks want to have a forum where all these projects or all this voter can type in what they like, so they can use Aptos chat as such that, if someone is not wanting to reveal their own social ID and give feedback to a project, it can be used. If there are DAO proposals for a specific DApp or even for the Aptos ecosystem, this can be used. If there is a fully on-chain game and the dev want to add a feature for in-game chat, that can be done via us. If there is a DeFi protocol, it which wants to reach out to its user, uh, or user wants to reach to a particular protocol for customer support, this can be used. NFT project can create token-based group chats or safe space for their holders. This can be used. Dev wants to create a new kind of social media, and this chat is the essential feature. So yeah, this can be used. So this tool has got like plenty of use cases. So far we have built the client to client version. As of now we are working on building the next thing, which is like converting this to a library which can be used by some sort of SDK. So as of now you can chat, call just by using Aptos wallet, and you can try it from the website aptos.chat, and we are on Telegram as well as Twitter as well. So you can just follow us over there to mm, check our regular updates. Thank you.
Perfect. Thanks for your presentation. So I wanted to ask you a little bit about a little bit more about find out a bit more about the team and the guys working behind, a bit more about yourself, etc. So can you tell us a little bit more about the team?
I'm the solo dev here, so I just started out, when I saw some tools like this on Ethereum, that whenever a hack happens, people start reaching out to that hacker, right? Can you do this? And fundamentally, this was a very cool concept. I found that, okay, uh, there is nothing like chat on Aptos, and Aptos is such a fast blockchain with finality of less than a second, right? So it naturally made sense for me to just build my hands down and start building out. So
Sure. Amazing. And have you thought about the business model here, or is it more of a public goods project?
this is more of a public goods project. We are open source at the moment, but we want to create the SDK and make it open source so that any protocol can start using it.
Perfect. Amazing. Makes sense. Cool. Well, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate you coming on and presenting your project. Good luck with the round.
Yeah, thank you, George.
Perfect. Now moving on to the next project, I'll welcome Lewis from Giro Network. Welcome.
Hey, George. Thank you. Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to participate in this round of Aptos grants at DoraHacks. Um, yeah, if you guys have done a great job, if you are watching this and you are a builder or looking to create your next Web3 product, I recommend visiting the DoraHacks website and their grant in conjunction with Aptos. Yeah, this is a great opportunity. But yeah, hi, I'm Luis, and today I want to introduce you to Gito Network. Gito Network is a platform made to solve one of the biggest problems online communities face, that is centralization. Gito will make it easy and flexible to build decentralized communities. Centralized communities right now have three big problems. First, censorship. Platforms decide what you can or can say. Second, we have rigidity. You can't customize how your community works. It means how you can add new finance models or DAOs. And third, algorithms. Uh, they control who sees your content, limiting natural growth. This is so sad because by this you can lose creativity. And in fact, 70% of creators say their reach is reduced by these algorithms, which limits their creativity. So, what is Gito? It's a Web3 solution that helps you build, manage, and grow your community in a flexible and decentralized way. With Gito, you will get connections between communities, flexibility to customize everything, I mean everything, and transparency throughout decentralization. And we are using Web3 technology. This means we have not a middleman. To give you an idea of the potential, the market for decentralized social network is expected to grow from 12 billion in 2023 to over 100 billion by 2033. This is the future of social networks, not just a passing trend. This is very, very obvious. So, um, what are our competitors? We have platforms like Mastodon, Lens Protocol, and Farcaster. But Git is different because it will offer full customization of your communities, smooth connections between platforms, and complete with web and mobile integrations because your audience is everywhere. So you should be. Our strength is giving developers and community creators the tools to build their own platforms. And they can control the types of interactions, set their own governance models, and customize everything with our easy-to-use APIs and SDKs. Plus, Gito will offer seamless web and mobile integration, making it accessible across all devices. And for all these reasons, we choose Aptos to build Gito. It offers scalability, high performance, and can handle large communities with low fees. That is very important for a blockchain. And is the ideal blockchain for a decentralized social platform. And Gito doesn't stop here. Developers will be able to use Node.js, React, and Kotlin to build on Gito. These tools will give developers the freedom to easily customize their communities and create powerful decentralized apps within Gito. And yeah, right now about our next steps, our plan is clear. We're planning to launch the version 1 of the protocol and SDK and create the standard for the future of decentralized social networks on Aptos. How will we use the grant? Simple development of this version 1. We'll scale the product and bring Gito to market. What is the protocol, for example, is the social interactions like a like, repost, a share, and also donations. within the platforms, and more features will come in the future. But right now, we will start to the simple interactions. And behind this, we have a dream team. Our front-end developer and cloud architect, Jose Luis Acosta, Lorena, the UI and UX and social media strategist, making sure the platform is both easy to use and powerful also. And me, Luis, the Web3 engineer at Gito. We have many years of experience together, building Web2 and Web3 products. In the Web3 space, we have experience building NFT marketplace, already in production, and DeFi products with millions of TVL right now. And yeah, that's it. Together we can shape the future of centralized social networks. The time to act is now. I recommend you to follow us on Twitter. We will be posting very soon about some announcements and some yeah.
Cool, perfect. Thanks, Lewis. Appreciate it. Some questions from me. Why did you choose to build on Aptos?
Because Aptos is a very secure blockchain, and also the Aptos blockchain has very low fees. This is very important because imagine you have a lot of decentralized social network platforms with maybe thousands of transactions per minute. So there are not many blockchains that supports that. And also, in special, Aptos has a good vision to support builders. So I think that yeah, that's the reason why we choose Aptos.
Makes sense. And in terms of users or your go-to-market strategy, what's I mean, how are you preparing for that?
We are contacting with many influencers and other Web3 influencers in other platforms, and we are planning to start here to get ideas of how they want to interact with a decentralized social network, and then talking with developers, because this is an essential part, because we are building for developers. So we're planning to grow organic.
Mm-hmm. Got it. Cool. Very good. All right. Well, thank you. Thank you for the time, Lewis. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Cool. So that concludes today's demo sessions for the Aptos Grant DAO round 6. So I did want to thank both Lewis and Sam from Giro Network and also Aptos Chat for joining us today and contributing your times and efforts to today's demo session. It's always great to hear from some of the best teams that come out of the Aptos Grant DAO, and we really hope that this session was helpful for the community and for anyone watching to really better understand your project, the future plans, and also your vision. So people in the audience, if you do have any questions following this demo session, please feel free to connect with those teams on their social medias, and also reach out to them with anything that you do have in mind, or if you want to join their communities, that would also be much appreciated by the team. So also don't forget that the round 6 for voting is open right now, so feel free to go on to DoraHacks.io, connect your Aptos wallet, whatever wallet that may be, and then essentially vote and contribute using your APT tokens, so that these teams can get a share of the bigger matching pool, which is being provided by DoraHacks and Aptos Foundation. So thanks again, guys, for your time, and there will be many more sessions like this in the upcoming weeks, from a whole bunch of different ecosystems that we work with. So feel free to jump on and stay tuned. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thank you, George.
Yeah.